Hi everyone, welcome in the demo of the BallStack Pro version. So lately I've been working on updating and improving my product called BallStack. So if you are already familiar with my content, my YouTube channel, you already know this product. So what I added is the Pro version with many features that you need to build the full SaaS project. So if you go to at the bottom in the landing page, so as you can see, so I updated the landing page a bit, and these are the features that I'm providing. So we have next auth. So in the basic version, we already have basic authentication, but for the pro version, as you can see here, I'm integrating the rate limiting and also I'm integrating the reset and the forget workflow. And also we have the MailChimp integration to be able to collect emails with Resend. We have the PayPal payment subscription. Also we have the live the one payment and the recurring subscription workflow. I've already integrated this in the boilerplate, so I couldn't use Stripe because I'm in a country where Stripe is not available, but I think PayPal is a worldwide option that's going to do a lot of good for developers worldwide, especially the ones that are living in countries where Stripe is not available. So we have the security and rate limiting with Redis and AppStash. And this is the kicker. We have the CMS with Sanity. So a lot of boilerplate services don't provide this. And also, as you can see on the features here, we have the dynamic search categories, the auto-generated table of content, also the progress bar, and many other things as I'm going to show you in the demo. We have the database. We are using Drizzle, and also we have the SEO and the Google Analytics. We have advanced MDX support to be able to create, for example, legal uh, pages in minutes. And also we have the premium ShadCN UI components through the BallStack platform. And finally, and this is something very valuable that I added in my offer, is the documentation. So if we go to the doc here in the BallStack, so this doc is the same that I used in the pro version of the boilerplate Next.js boilerplate. So I'm going to show you this in the demo. So let's go back to the landing page, and if we go down here, I'm just like outlining the time that you will save if you want to do this by yourself, and I'm providing this whole thing with a mere $59. So think about it. The other boilerplate services, they are, I think, in my opinion, they are overpricing their products a lot. And so this is the final section of the landing page with the pricing section, and these are all the things that you will get. And also another thing that you will get is the templates. So all of these templates are yours if you are in the Pro plan. And also if I go to the blog section, so for example, if I go to the testimonials, so there are some blogs that they are Pro and the Pro version. So all the components, so by now I created for about 83, 84 components, and I have many components that I didn't push. And another thing that you will get in the Pro version is you will get all the future components and all the future templates. So I'm going to log in with my Google account. So I'm already in the Pro version just to show you the boilerplate uh, Next.js with all the Pro features that I showed you. So let's go back to the home page, and I'm going to click on this button. So as you can see, we're going to have this dialog. So this one for the basic project is completely for free if you want to build a simple full stack project. But this is the one that we want, that has all the features that I showed you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the create new project. So it's going to be downloaded. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to extract the project inside a new folder. So let's extract it in here. So I'm going to open up the project in VS Code where I extracted the project. So let's open up the project. So this is the project as you can see. And so the first thing that I'm going to go into that we need to talk about is the env file. So as you can see, so the first thing that you should do is you can go to the docs is to fill up all the env variables if you want to make sure that the product is working. So as you can see, because the boilerplate is a little bit heavier, so we're going to have all the elements that we need to add in the env variable. So I'm not going to show you how to do this. Everything is in the doc, but the thing that I'm going to show you is after installing all the packages and adding all the env variables. So I'm going to show you the demo of the project. So after installing all the packages and adding or filling up all the env variables, so as you can see, this is the project. So the project is running, and we're gonna go to local 3000. So this is what we get first. So I choose the AI as a context to show this project. So we have a fully animated landing page. So as you can see, as I'm scrolling, so we have this slider, and also we have all of these elements. So we have the step-by-step section. Also, we have the blogging section with Sanity, and also we have the pricing, and we have this beautiful testimonial section. So as you can see, we have the velocity option here as I'm scrolling, and also we have the questions and answers. And finally, we have the newsletter, which is a fully working newsletter, as I'm going to show you later on. And finally, we have this bottom footer. So as you can see, you will get a fully animated landing page with all the necessary sections. So let's go through the pages. So we have the pricing section. So when I click on the pricing, so it's going to take a little bit of time to compile, as you can see. So as I'm going to show you this pricing on the logic behind this section is already done. For when I'm going to show you how when we are gonna make payments using the sandbox PayPal. So this is going to be changing automatically without having to do anything in the code. And also we have the blog section. So this is the blog section, as you can see, with all the posts from Sanity. So I'm going to get into this, how it works. And also, as you can see, we have the search working. So we have the filter, and also we have the pagination. So the pagination is not showing up because I didn't have many posts to be able to show the pagination, but it is still in the code. Also, we have the API, we have the docs, as you can see. So I'm using just fake data just to be able to show you the docs and how things are working. And this is the kicker option, and this is something that I think it's a great add-on for any SaaS application. And finally, we have a working support. So this is the contact page, the animated content page. So as you can see, so this is what you will get. And also if we go to the login page, so you will get this beautiful authentication component as I'm having in my website called Bolstack. And also, this is part of the blocks uh, Pro plan. So if we go to the authentication section, if we go to the sign in, so this is the actual component that I used. So all of these components that I'm using in the boilerplate are coming from the blocks that I'm having in Bolstack. So this is what you will get. So it is a complete system within Bolstack. We have reusable components and also we have SaaS features. And this is something that I think a lot of boilerplate services are not doing out there. And this is what I want to do to stand out a bit in the market. So after I showed you what you will get in the UI, now we're going to get into the main features and I'm going to start with payment, which is, I think, the core element in any SaaS application. So to show you how PayPal works, first, I want to just let you know that we are using the subscription for the Pro tier. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to log in with this fake account. I'm going to add the password. So I'm successfully logged in. So if we go to the dashboard, so as you can see, I'm currently in the free plan. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the pricing section and I'm going to click on the Start Pro Monthly. So now, as you can see, I'm in the checkout page. So I'm going to click on Continue Payment and I'm going to add the PayPal subscription. So I'm going to add the email address. So this email address is from the developer, your developer PayPal account, because we are using sandbox mode, as you can see in the URL. So I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to add the password. So as you can see, so this is the final page. So don't worry about this $3 because you need to add a subscription plan in the business sandbox account. So just for testing, I created the uh, $3 price tag. So I'm gonna click on the agree and subscribe. So as you can see, the payment has been done. If I go to the dashboard, so as you can see, I'm in the Pro subscription. So if I click on Manage Subscription, so as you can see, our Pro plan is on, and I can cancel the subscription. And don't worry about these activities just for testing purposes. So this is the last one that we just did, and I can cancel the subscription. So if I cancel the subscription and I click OK, so as you can see, I can still access to the Pro features until this date. So I handled this by adding the logic needed so you don't have to do it yourself once you get the boilerplate Pro code. So as you can see, as you saw, everything is working fine. PayPal is working great. So once you are ready, all you have to do, follow the talks in the website to be able to go into the production mode. So now I'm going to show you the Sanity CMS. So let's so I use this in the incognito window just to be able to show you the PayPal workflow. So let me close this. And what I'm going to do here to be able to access to your blog posts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to access to the studio route. So this is where we can manage through Sanity all our posts. So it's going to take a while to compile. So as you can see, I'm in the studio CMS and I can access to the posts, as you can see when I click on the post. So these are all the posts, and also we have the category and the author. And just to show you how things are working, like for example, if I modify this post, for example, so this needs to be loaded. And for example, let's add something in the title. And also I managed to add all the elements needed with Sanity because these need to be added manually in your Next.js boilerplate, like the slug, the CEO, the feature image, the author, the category, and also some rich element like the code. All of this, I added them in the boilerplate so you don't have to set them up like and save a lot of time. So I added this new word just to show you that when I publish, it's going to be updated. So if I click on publish, or let's add a new post, for example, just to show you the whole step by step. So let's do this new post. So I'm going to generate a new slug. So let's add something in here, and I'm going to add the feature image. So let's go to the download. Let's add this image. And so the author, so I'm going to use my name. So let's add the category. And so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just copy some stuff from here. So as you can see, everything is managed by Sanity. So after I'm done with the project or the post, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on publish. So the best part, as I'm going to show you in the boilerplate, everything has been managed like automatically without having to do anything in the code. So if I go to the actual website, so we should see the new post automatically has been added not only in the blog section, but also in the post section. So as you can see, it has been added automatically in here. And also if we go to the blogs page, so we should see the new post that we just created. So this is the post that we just created. So if I click on it, so as you can see, so this is the post, and also we have the content, the table of content automatically. We have, so let's go back to complete post just to show you all the features that you will get. So we have the table of contents. Also, we have the progress bar at the top. We have the code section, and also we have the table. So the table is not in the post. So let's go to another post. So we have the table also integrated in Sanity. So as you can see, we have a fully working blog post. So you don't do anything. All you have to do is to add the post in your Sanity Studio, and you are ready to go. So the next feature I'm going to show you is MailChimp. So I'm already connected in my MailChimp account. So as you can see, I already added some fake emails. So I zoomed in just to be able to hide some emails from real users. So let's go back to our product or landing page. And if we go all the way down, so this is where you can subscribe. So what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to add this new fake email, and I'm going to hit this button. So it's going to take a while to hit the API. So as you can see, we got this message, and if we go back to MailChimp, we should see our new email. So as you can see, this is the new email that we just added in the subscribe section, which means that everything is working fine. So the last thing that I'm going to show you in this video is the API docs. So this is one of the main and important features that I added in my Boilerplate offer. So I'm going to show you how easy to be able to change this, and I'm using the MDX or the Markdown pages to be able to create these pages very quickly. So if I go back to the source code and go to the docs folder, so these are the pages, and also everything is organized in this area. So for example, if I, so let's add a new object, for example here, and I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna save the file. I'm gonna go to the architecture. So let's go to the architecture MDX. So let's add stuff like this and save the file. So if we go back in here, so as you can see, we have instant update of all the elements that we added, and also added some text in here. So as you can see, it's very easy to create your docs, which is something that it's heavy for a lot of developers, even myself. So, and also we have the search section ready to be used. We have the dark mode as well. And also we can be able to see the links, the structure and the table, and also the call out section that I inspired from Clark, which they have a really good documentation styling. So as you can see, this is what you will get from all the boilerplate SaaS Pro features for this price. So I think that it is worth it. And so this is so I came to the end of this video, and hopefully that you liked what I'm offering in BullStack. And also, if you have some questions or anything that you want to ask, all you have to do is go to the contact page. So go to the support, sorry. So I need to update this. Go to the contact page. And so this is where you reach out to me by adding your email address. And I'm happy to talk with you in anything, or if you have some questions about BullStack.